So there's a pretty good chance that either you're working from home, developing your skills, or you're just locked down. And I really thought it would be a great opportunity to talk to you about these 7 applications which will help you to convert your basic skills and help you in workout and also choose the right books to read. My name is Vinay, you're watching Vin's Tech Viz. Let's start. So the first application which I want to share with you is Udemy. इस एप्लीकेशन में आपको वो सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएगी जो आपको सीखनी है, फ्रॉम फोटोग्राफी टू कुकिंग टू ऑल द थिंग्स विच यू वांट टू लर्न. This application has lot to offer, and this lockdown period you can improve your skills with this application. So the second application which I want to share with you is the Map Runner. ये एप्लीकेशन में आपको वो सारी चीज़ें मिलेगी जो एक फिटनेस लवर को पसंद है. द इंटरफेस ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन इज़ वे टू कूल. ये आपको हेल्प करेंगे टू सेट योर डेली गोल्स, टू अचीव योर टारगेट्स, and also this application will help you with a demo to do the pre-workout session. Download this application if you don't want to miss your daily goals. The third application which I want to share with you is InShots. As we are in this pandemic of coronavirus, we want to get all the information possible. So ये application आपको help करेगा to get all the information in a very crisp yet in a very effective way. और अगर आपको चाहिए एक डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन एक स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, जस्ट गो अहेड एंड क्लिक ओवर हियर. दिस विल गिव यू द डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एवरी एस्पेक्ट विच इज गोइंग अराउंड. इन शॉर्ट्स, download it to get the right information and also at the right time. So the next application over here is Arogya Setu. This is the government initiative application. ये एप्लीकेशन आपको डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन देगा अबाउट द कोरोना वायरस सिचुएशन. दिस विल गिव यू द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट हाउ मेनी people are recovered, how many cases are going around, and also how many people are died because of this coronavirus. And also check the description जहाँ पे I have given the detailed information how to use the application. So the next application which I want to share with you is Daywise. ये एप्लीकेशन क्या करेगा, आपको हेल्प करेगा टू गेट ऑल द नोटिफिकेशन एट वंस. आप सेट कर दीजिए कि आपको ये एप्लीकेशन के जो भी नोटिफिकेशन है 3 आवर्स के बाद चाहिए. जैसे ही आप शेड्यूल करेंगे वो आपको बैच वाइज नोटिफिकेशन भेजना चालू कर देगा. एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू वांट टू वाइट लिस्ट द एप्लीकेशन, जो आपको नोटिफिकेशन पहले आए वो बैच फॉर्मेट में नहीं आए, वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. So all the applications such as WhatsApp, Instagram, this will be in a batch format, and also the application which you're using for your work would be in a non-batch format. Unfortunately, this application is only available for Android devices. It is not available for iOS. So जो अगला application which we have over here is Goodreads. This application is for all the book lovers which have a lot of time in their hands and want to read the right books possible. This application will help you to get the reviews of the books which you're reading and also show you the progress of the books which you're already reading it. I have made a separate video on this application. You can check out in the description below. So आज का जो final application है वो है 7 minutes workout. ये एप्लीकेशन में बहुत शॉर्ट वीडियोस में बताया गया है कैसे आप अपने घर से वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं. सो हम जब घर के बाहर रहते हैं हमारा बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली एक्टिव रहता है विद ऑल द थिंग्स विच वी डू. सो यूज़ दिस 7 minutes वर्कआउट एप्लीकेशन फॉर योर डेली रूटीन वर्कआउट सेशंस. सो दीज वर द सम एप्लीकेशन विच आई वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू. You can use it in your lockdown period. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.